Get him, Milo. Are you ready to go? Yeah, boy.
I don't know why I feel really short in this mirror. Come here. Do I look short here, huh?
No.
Wow, you look really short. What are you doing?
You're all over the place.
I don't think that's true.
You got black and white socks on. You got Puma socks with Yeezys. What are you doing?
Yeah, but look how little you are compared to me.
I'm not little.
I'm so much of a bigger human than you.
True. Look at Milo. He wants to join.
Milo's getting fat.
That's because Josana doesn't know how to feed him.
Milo, she's gonna come back. Oh, you poor baby.
Thank you so much. Have a good one. Oh, is that yum?
He's like, damn, that was way better.
Was that so yummy? Get out, get out, get out, get out. Milo, help me. Have it. Yours. Take it. Free rent.
We'll sleep on the
Go
couch.
sleep out here. No way.
You can do it, babe. Come on, go get him.
Stop! Dude, get out! Oh boy, Milo, get in. Get him, Milo. Oh, I need him all the way over here. Yeah, bro. Stay down!
What's up, everyone? It's day 17 of quarantine.
I'm profusely sweating.
We haven't done any workouts in like a long time, and we figured it'd be useful to maybe show you a little circuit we're doing inside the house in quarantine to stay fit a little bit. I went on a 3-mile run this morning. I did the first set with Tara, so I'm tired. So Tara's gonna take it away. I'm gonna be cameraman. I'll jump in on the. No, I won't. I'm not. I'm done.
Okay, I'm going. I'm not stopping.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So we got some nice lunges here. Ooh, 8 on each side, right?
Yeah. Push-ups.
Ooh, push-ups are my favorite with Tara. Why do your hips hit the ground first? Get her, Milo.
Because I'm not strong.
Sprinter crunch. How many you got?
15 each.
Nice. Yeah, Milo's a great time to play. Babe, throw his ball. What are you thinking?
Because you don't know who you're going to meet.
What
Squat
now?
jumps.
Ooh, look at you. Ooh, right down. Nice. Good transition, baby. Ooh, the alternating V-sit.
Milo! 30-second plank.
You're doing a great job, though, babe.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're doing a good job, too. Some side plank action.
Okay, you can stop filming.
Why? Think I'm gonna let you cheat, babe?
I'm cheating!
You gotta be the best, baby.
Can you get out here and do it?
I already did one. Come on, babe. You got it. So how many sets do you do?
4 to 5.
And what's the rest in between each set?
2 minutes.
2 minutes? Wow. So there you have it, folks. If you guys are in quarantine, you don't want to get fat, you want to stay nice and fit like Tara, you do this workout. Let us know if you did it. Let us know how it was. And I'm gonna stick to running because I'm not much of a workout in the house kind of guy.
Okay. Have a great one.
You have 3 more sets. Tara doesn't have anywhere to rest her head. Milo, watch out, buddy. I know I look really grungy. It's a Sunday, we're just hanging out. But we have decided to buy tickets to Utah. We're flying to go see my family.
No, we're not fun.
We're not going to have fun. Oh yeah, we're going to see my family. I haven't seen my family in months.
Whoa!
So I want to go see them. But here's what I wanted to show you. First class tickets are only $14 more, so.
It's Frontier.
Yeah, but we're flying first class, baby. Let's go. Alright, Milo, grab your toys, buddy. You're disgusting.
Why did you have to do that?